What's up with YouTube? It's your boy JD, aka LF4J, bring y'all another banger video. New to the channel, go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're going up all 2023, even though it's in 2023. But we bring y'all number lit content. We got bitch shit sitting over here though, for sure. You know, she still beamed up or whatever. Told you I had to go ahead and bring y'all this POV drive. Y'all got to go ahead and see what's going on. Cause like I said, this junk, like I said, the L99 not slow. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Like, y'all can keep saying like the junk slow. Like, compared to Scats, I want to say 5.0s too. But you know, I talk too much mess about 5.0, so I can't just really just say that they are beat us. You know, y'all done seen it, but I don't care. But like, you know, like 5.0, you know, even though it's not a true LS3, unless you get a manual, it's just like 4B down talking them like they just not nothing. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, this still a 6.2. Like, of course, you still gonna have to throw hitters, cam on it, but at the same time, this just still running for the. This is a Miro. This is a 6.2 in here. So I ain't trying to hear all that, because like I said, it's plenty for this still want an L99. It's plenty for this still want this body style. Don't care about the new body style, just like me. That's why I had when they got this. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and bring y'all POV. So y'all can go and see how LF4J, you know, get down the track with it. I'm finna go to Mexico and do it though. So, you know, the highways in Mexico, them jump bigger than the ones in Memphis. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all this video. So, hey. But this junk, like I said, she still beamed up. I still probably need to get some more tires for her too. It's so crazy. Nah, I know I don't. We still looking straight. Yeah, we still looking straight. Don't worry about it. We still looking straight. I for sure need to get that wheel alignment on it too. It ain't bad. I just know it need a wheel alignment. I think the rear need one, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a front and back just to just to be on the safe side. I ain't gonna lie, I left the keys in the house too. I was finna go ahead and start it up for y'all. It's crazy. I'm really just not waking up. Got to go ahead and throw some little clothes on or whatever. Then take out, and then I'm gonna go to the restaurant later on, see what, you know, they got a couple stuff up there. Hopefully the people ain't came and picked up their cars, cause I ain't gonna lie, them folks got their heat up there right now. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they got plenty of stuff up there. So I'm gonna bring y'all their little content, their little footage. And shoot, I guess we're gonna see where they take us. Like, appreciate it. We just reached, what, 2,400 subscribers? Like I said, I started from 0. Like I said, 100 subscribers, it was enough. Like, the views, like 100 views I get, this a lot. Like I said, 100 people in a room, that's a lot of people. And I'm getting 100 plus more. Like, I don't even care if I ain't just hit 1,000. You know, I have hit 1,000, of course, but I'm saying, like, you know, since I'm dropping more consistent, you know, me not hitting 1,000, like, right off the bat, like, you know, no, they don't faze me, because, no, it's coming. Don't worry about it. Just keep tuning in. Just keep turning up with the kid. That's all I'm focused on right now. But like I said, appreciate the 2,400 subscribers. We're on the road to 5K. Like I said, I ain't finna go to the 10 yet. We on the road to 10, but you know, we gotta go ahead, hit that 5 first, then we gonna go to 10 after that. For sure. Like I said, that's the humbleness right there. Just stay humble. Like I said, we came from 0. Like, we literally came from 0 subscribers. So appreciate it. Like I said, we mirror gang, and you know, like I said, we still LS4 Nation. We came up off the LS4, so we, you know, the video that I got, they just finna hit 100K, and it's off of LS4. So quit playing. That's my first ever vlog, so it's gonna forever be LS4 Nation. Quit playing. Just stay tuned when I get another one. But my fault talking out ears off and go and hit the road. Go ahead and get y'all some of this footage. All right, y'all finna go ahead get on the road right quick. No, hey, just wipe that down right quick. Just a little small little wipe down. You know, get you a wet towel, just a little hat. You know, get you a clean. You know, it's dirty now, cause I didn't wipe the rims with it too. But you know, clean. Cool it tutorial. Get you a clean towel, right? You gotta be clean. Just damp it, wet it up. Cause I had washed it the other day. It just got a little dust. It got a little tie shine on it. But you know, just damp it. Wring the water off of it and just wipe it off. Clean towel. You straight. You ain't gonna have no dirty marks and none of that on there. Just like that. Come on now. This stuff beam team. Don't worry about the curd rash. You know. We ain't been kissing curd though, but you know, like my mama did that. But yeah. Come on now. We glass. Like, come on. Like, that is glass. Like I just feel like I'm just so underrated right now. Cause like this is backyard paint. Like, I paint this at the backyard. And these just glass, like, dang. But yeah, come on now. We glad the rent of the back just still cool though. Just still straight. Yes, sir. But the first thing we for sure gonna do, which I tell all my boys to do, check your oil. Like, I don't care if you got an oil change a week ago, mine a couple of days ago. If you know you been running your car, check your oil. So, like, this one thing I always tell them to do, which they still don't do it. Like, yeah. So I don't know. I just still tell them just to check. I tell my brother that too. Check your oil, bro. Check your oil. Like I said, this is too dirty right now. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get some stuff to, clean it. But just check your oil. You gotta check it a couple times, but I know I got some oil in here. Like how y'all see, it ain't filled up all the way to the third. Like not all the way, and it's been sitting all overnight. That mean I need like just add a tad bit in there. But they don't know that. Come on now, get up in there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's why I said that check your oil. Like, you finna be running your car, you finna be speeding, or you doing hundreds, like, check your oil. Like, ain't no wrong just checking it. All you gotta do is just check it. But I'm finna go ahead. I got like a quart of oil. I gotta go find it. Okay, oil check done. Come on now. Everything straight. Bam. Closed it. Go ahead, put her on the road, straight like that. This the cold start right here. Like I said, it gonna get louder. Don't worry about it. It just sound lovely as ear though. So crazy, y'all. Like, I really made my own Hot Wheels edition mirror. Like, I made this. Like, quit playing it. Like I said, be on this platform to go ahead and be creative. It's how you be different. It's how they gonna start rocking with you, messing with you. Then we so underrated. Like, even my folks over at Rockstar, we so underrated. Like y'all gonna see when I go up there. Y'all gonna see all the stuff, all the tours we got, which I've been seeing. This just for my new subscribers. Yeah, we just underrated in it. Quit playing. It ain't just Rockstar in general, like Memphis in general. Like, we underrated. Like, too much stuff go on in Memphis. Like, too much people be having stuff in Memphis. Like, especially with the whip wise. Like we underrated. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead. Oh, unlock the door first. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure them gauges working. Make sure everything okay. Oil pressure, voltage straight, trans temp straight, oil temp. You ain't know where we just fried it up. I need her to get them sensors programmed too, but they don't worry me no way. I ain't gonna do that. And y'all might see the cracked windshield, which I should have sleep. Wish I would have brought it before the windshield got cracked, but it cool though. So y'all gonna see a little crack in the windshield though. But hey, it's cool. I gotta bring y'all this footage, cause I told y'all I was gonna bring it to y'all. But y'all see what that gas hand is though. I'm gonna stop by the gas station, go to Kroger, which I always go to Kroger. We get that cheap gas at discount. Then I'm gonna hit hit the road. Then go to Rapstar. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. First thing first, safety first. Come on now. For sure. I'm talking about y'all. I'm finna make her talk. Like she finna talk. It's so crazy. I gotta come out the driveway kind of sideways because the car sits so low in the front. I really think because of the tire though. But when I had the regular tires on there, it like the car still sit lowered for some reason in the front. I don't know. Like so many people be asking me like, is they jump lowered? Like no, like it ain't. What the car look Crackle and Pop too. So she finna talk today. But yeah, them folks y'all be thinking they be like the junk lower, like it ain't lower. Like I'm pretty sure these the stock. They be like I said, it be looking lower than the front. These the stock struts. I do want to lower like an inch, but it's like for some reason I don't know if it's because of the tires. Like I said, I got 30s. I don't have 35s, so I got 30s. So I don't know. I don't know if it's did a shoot. This is why it look lower than the front. I'm guessing. Trying to see what's what. We just in regular drive right now, though. Yeah, I ain't regular drive. Like I said, for the one that's new to the channel, the only thing that they car still had resonators on it, just had no muffler. So I'm guessing this how this young sound with no muffler. But at the same time, when I get in it sound lovely, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, this car sound good. Like, when I get in. My fault, the little thing is kind of jumpy, so hopefully it don't jump too much. Only reason I'm just doing this anyway, cause I'm low on gas. So shoot, we just finna go to the gas station, just fill up. I might fill up. I might get it to half. I don't know yet. Cause I ain't that reach yet. Like I said, y'all hit that thumb, watch the whole video. Then this one better to go ahead and fill up. But right now, I'm throw a good 20, 25. The gas I really like $3 and like 2.20 cents. Come on, y'all in the way, man. Yeah. I probably have to keep adjusting this joint. Y'all have to keep adjusting this joint, but I don't care though. Y'all finna get this footage. Then I'm gonna take these joints to the highway, y'all get a little footage. Come on now, chill. Like y'all. Like what I slick really want to do is just go ahead and put some cars on the door, some headers. I know this ain't gonna sound good, but just headers, I know this ain't gonna sound lovely. Just a little bit. It did put out so it can be kind of even stiff in the front. I don't know, just the enjoyment of it, because like I said, I had an Impala SS. Y'all know how the transmissions is on that car. Y'all know how it is. Now I got this where I can play around it. I can shift the gears in it. What? You best believe we finna be in this zone. You best believe we gonna be in this zone. Sersky. Next time I'm gonna put the what's called a little higher, because I don't like how they just dropping. You don't like how they just dropping. But yes, sir. Then I leave here. I'm gonna go ahead get up with the what's it called. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all that footage of it on the highway. It's a little cool out here too. So these ain't, you know, the cooler it is outside. Your car gonna be running better. I'm going to get these up off here. Look. Y'all see what the gas is right now. Go ahead, putting a little gas in them. Go ahead and put a 25 in it. Like I said, the gas ain't even that much. It ain't that much. skin. Like I said, this in a glass house, y'all. Dang. Look at her. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Yeah, we a little bit above half. I need all my gas. Gotta shake this junk. I need all the gas. Make sure y'all shake it. A lot of times. Thank you. Alright, we straight. We cool. We cool. Yes, sir. Yeah, we cool, y'all. Let me go ahead and show y'all what Big Sexy do. Ooh, I need to get a mic or get a second camera for this time. Y'all like, I don't think y'all gonna hurt her. What's the car? Y'all can probably gonna hurt straight wind. Hopefully y'all don't know. Come on now, fin, move. Y'all said this just slow, alright. Okay. Like I said, we in Mexico right now. Yes, sir. Let me roll these windows up. I know y'all heard straight wind. And we in regular drive too, y'all. Hello, let me slap her sport right foot. Yes, sir. Screw me, little Tesla. Appreciate it. Man, I wish I would have did this before the doggone windshield got cracked. They gonna see a big, y'all gonna see a big old crack in the windshield. Yeah, Sirski. I need to go do another video with my boy D and them. Darion E. My 5-0 boy, my scat boys. Today feel like one of them days. And he sure just text me. I'm finna see what he want. I might go and pull up on them too. I need to get another camera to go. I think they be having a little hat or the one that go across your forehead. I need to get this, the one with the strap on. I need to get one of them too. Yes, Sirski. boy got them boys out. They got them trooper boys out. They got them trooper boys out. Yes, sir. Cool little act. What he got going on the side of the road? Cool little act. I don't know what they don't know. See, I don't know what y'all be talking about. Y'all talking about these and slow. Oh, hey. I know he ain't a regular scat though, nothing though. And, you got to tweak with it a little bit first, but get that power. But this is a mirror. Come on now. But this I ain't like there was enough right there. I'ma bring this. I'll make this like a part 1. We're gonna do a part 2. I don't know when I'm dropping though. We're gonna do a part 2. I ain't gonna procrastinate this time. Let me window back there. Make it feel a little bit. Yeah, I ain't gonna procrastinate this time. I'm going to get y'all a part 2. Then we gonna just go on from there. It feels, my guy, it feels so lovely out here. I should have dropped the top. Y'all would heard too much wind then, never mind. But I'm gonna put y'all back on when I pull up the Rap Stars. Alright, so let me pull up to Rap Star. Let's see what these folks, they got that boy over here, right here. I already told you I gotta show y'all what these folks be doing. So got that boy right here. It's just so hard. It's just too hard. Told you, cuz Memphis so slipped on. That's the crazy thing. Like, come on now. It's just hard. And he on the Rucci board. What y'all think about them on Big 6? Nah, I'm just playing though. Yeah, and he on the Rucci board. Quit playing. This just so hard. Feel like a paint job. Straight like this. He got the big boy jet. This the biggest one I hadn't seen. Got cash over the Tesla. But cash over the Tesla, boy. Hardest Tesla in the city. Quit playing. Is it unlocked? Nope, he's not unlocked. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yes, sir. I don't trust Dollar. I want to say he gonna bite. Is he gonna bite me? But I don't know. What, man? Wait. Chair.
Okay. Sit.
So he do bite.
Sit. Sit down. He's just not used to you yet.
I ain't cash. Okay, you gotta get used to me then.
Yeah, you gotta get him used to you. Come on.
Oh.
It's JD. He cool people, okay? Look. Friend. Friend. Okay?
I still got scared though. He just look vicious. Dang! God dang! Calm down. That sound like he hurt it.
Okay. Well, let me get on my job, you get on your job, and let's make everything happen.
Let me go around the other way. You know, he got that boy over there too. He having the bid in right now. Oh, well, he finna pull that boy out. Look. Wait, man. Wait. He got that chopster. Is he having a little problem? to them. They got that boy over here. My fault. Yeah, I got the copyright on. Just give me a couple, just a minute. My fault. If you in the city, you gonna see one of these, and they 10 one. Oh, look, they got the sign right there. So y'all come to Rap Star, make sure y'all go ahead and get my boy Yo, get my boy D. They gonna get you right.
I like me.
Like I said, y'all gonna see one of these boys. Y'all come to the city, so. Then he did this jump with Matt Black. Like I said, we don't just wrap vehicles, we wrap these too. Would this be considered a Can-Am? Or it's just a side by side, my fault. Straight like that. Make sure it come painted too so you can wrap it.
Don't shoot elbow. Bro.
And I got this boy.
Them niggas all do a recruit on your ass, so please. Man, he's not humble, none of that. Figure it out.
It's just so hard. He's just gangster.
Don't go to Rap Star.
Yeah, he gangster.
Yoshi, we're not friends.
Yes, sir. I got good job music back on my phone.
I watched that a bunch of sugar Christmas, he ain't even the same thing.
Let me run up out of there. Him and J-Rock pulled up on me. I was actually doing the video for you pulled up. Yeah, like I said, y'all seen what happened with Big Six. You know, like I said, I can't too much pinpoint on any other Phil G and Mero. You know, but I know Big Six, you know, for her to be almost start, we still got the tune on it. We still running, so I don't care what nobody talking about, you know. Big Six just one of, she just one of the one. So, like I said, I can do some more POV videos, so don't worry about that. You know, dang, this jump, man, y'all don't understand. It's just like a real glass. I need to take it back up to the shop so I can buff it. I just need to polish it again. I don't even really need to buff it. I probably still buff it anyway, but polish it again. This jump look like a real glass house coming. Like, dang. I gotta see this jump in person, y'all. I promise y'all, I gotta see this jump in person. We gangsta. But yeah, more video coming for sure. I had to show y'all what's going on up here. I don't think not too much going on up here. I had to show y'all a little bit or whatever. But Dave. I guess he putting some earn hits out right now. But yeah. I guess I'll catch y'all in this video. You new to the channel, go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all the above. We're going up all 2023, bring y'all number lit content. See y'all in this video.